Okay, in terms of sort of public communications projects, I think Cell City, which was my first, probably the first and biggest one that I did, was again something I'm quite proud of. This came out of an idea between myself and Keith Roberts from the John Innes Centre across the road. The original concept was really sort of Norwich's answer to the Royal Institution Christmas lectures. So to give a presentation to school children about cell biology, but told in the context of a modern city. So just as a city has a city wall, so a cell has a cell wall, power stations, and that would be mitochondria, communications networks, the nucleus is a sort of town hall and library combined. So there are all these, I mean, it's a very good and actually very robust analogy, and the more we went into it, the more comparisons we found. It started off as a lecture, it sort of grew, technology was becoming available that enabled us to produce really first-rate broadcast quality video from a PC. We weren't yet at the stage of YouTube, so it was still pretty unusual, and we were able to do some pretty groundbreaking things. So as I say, what started off as a fairly straightforward sort of lecture exploded, and we had all these different elements in it, and it did literally explode, because at the end we actually had some pyrotechnics. We felt that, you know, one couldn't finish a lecture without a bit of pyrotechnics. It started off in Norwich, and then we got invited to basically do the tour of most of the science festivals, like Edinburgh and Wrexham and the British Association one, and then eventually we got invited out to Australia. And then after that, that led on to Cell City, the BBC TV series.